Hey everyone, we're Tom and Bunny, and we're here to give you the Tom's Trips travel tip of the day.
And that's book with a travel agency.
So recently we just got an email from somebody that said, why should I book with you guys? I could book directly with the resort.
Well, it's simple. You know, you book through the resort or you book through a travel agency and it's the same amount of money. But sometimes we're going to save you money, especially when you book with our group trips.
Absolutely.
And we're going to offer you personalized service. So you're going to call and talk to one of us great travel consultants.
So you got Bunny, Larry, and Michelle.
And you're going to get express check-in once you get to the resort.
So not only with that, yeah, you could book directly with the resort, but with us at Tom's Trips, you're going to get personalized name necklaces. You're going to get exclusive parties only that our travelers get. You're going to be entertained by our 3-time award-winning Entertainer of the Year, Mark Mays. He does amazing entertainment for everyone. We have pool parties, exclusive meet and greets. We give prizes and other awards and gifts just for our people.
Right, and not to mention the catamaran, and the off-site pub crawl, and the on-site pub crawl.
And the off-site dinner.
And the off-site dinner.
So, and we just brought out the Tom's Trips exclusive travel app where you can be in the know of all the events, see who's all going to be there, communicate with people, share pictures, everything. We are the leader in adult lifestyle travel, and that is the reason why you should book with Tom's Trips.
Absolutely, so give us a call today.